Guest Wi-Fi in restaurants must function as a primary data acquisition channel, not just a utility. When configured correctly, it drives measurable revenue whilst maintaining strict security and compliance standards. 3 core concepts underpin effective guest Wi-Fi. A captive portal is the web page users must interact with before access is granted. VLANs are logical subnetworks that group devices for segmentation. Dwell time measures how long a connected device remains within the network's coverage area. What actually matters comes down to 3 principles. Segment to secure. Always isolate guest Wi-Fi from operational systems to ensure PCI DSS compliance. Friction kills conversion. Every additional step on a splash page reduces authentication rates. Consent is opt-in. Under GDPR, marketing consent requires deliberate user action, not pre-ticked boxes. Read the full guide at purple.ai.